You guys are all standard, probably around 45, 55. There's 2 chocolate girls. Let's see. There's a chocolate Merle. There's a chocolate Brindle. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Burp, 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 burp. Can't tell how dark the reds are because it's sunny out, but I know you guys are upset. I'm sorry. Mommy let you out for a video in a minute. Yes, there's your friend. That's who's over here crying. Yeah, go make pretty with them.